In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add email opt-in forms in Lovable AI. To do that, first, you need to actually create your email opt-in form, either through Typeform or Google Form or Tally. On this case, I have in here this, so let's head over and click on Send, and then let's choose right here this link, copy it, and then head over right here to your Lovable. Once you're on your Lovable, you just need to add them or message the chat right here. You can say to them that add this form to your site and then paste right there your actual URL. After that, Lovable will think for a while and add the actual form directly into your site. So for that, once it's done, it should be able to add the form directly. So when you scroll down, you can find the form right there. You can also just refresh your site if you think that an error is happening for that. But in a while, it will be added all together through this particular way. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.